success? What's the opposite of success?
Failure.
Okay, failure. What's the opposite of failure?
Success.
Okay, success. Let's name this new word. Okay. What's that?
Series. Resource.
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 Resource. And now.
A source.
Of
Supply.
or
Support.
support.
Resource.
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 Okay.
Success.
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 Okay.
Success.
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 Okay.
Success. With.
The fact of getting or achieving wealth, respect, or fame.
Fame.
I think it should more than that.
Fame.
Okay. We know the opposite of success is failure. You see? Yeah. What's that opposite?
Failure.
Failure.
Failure. Failure.
Okay. The opposite of success
is failure.
Okay. Okay, success. Okay.
Failure.
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 Okay. Okay, opposite is
Success.
okay.
Failure.
Failure.
Okay, let's read that. So the other ones to persuade readers that homework is important for
Study. Student. Success.
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 Okay, let's see. Success.
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 What's that?
Now.
Can you spell?
SUCCESS. Success.
Okay. Okay, so which one is your...
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay. Okay. I think this is Indian name. Priya or something.
It's down for the
Priya.
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 Priya. Priya.
Okay. Why? Priya. 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 Okay. Priya.
Priya. Mom. Miss. Mr. Mrs.
Patel. Okay, that's a Indian last name. There's a store where they call the Patel Brothers.
Patel.
Brothers. Okay. Mrs. Patel
owned a food truck that packed next to
Mr. I don't know how to say it. Priya.
pronouncenames.com.
Valdez. Valdez.
Say it.
Valdez.
Valdez.
Do we have the correct pronunciation?
You need to say it.
Valdez, Valdez,
Louder object.
Valdez, Valdez,
Do we have the correct pronunciation of your name?
Okay. Priya's mom, Mrs. Patel, owned a food truck that packed next to Mr. You need to say it, okay?
Valdez, Valdez, Valdez,
Do we
Do we?
What's this?
Valdez.
Okay. Okay, next to Mr.
Valdez truck on the busy street corner. One good friend, Mrs. Patel and
Mr. Valdez.
Valdez.
Mrs. is a female, okay, it's a lady. Mr. is a male, okay. Mrs. is a female. Okay, Mrs. Patel and Mr.
Valdez had grown into
Fierce. Yeah, you can. That's a fierce. What's that?
Success.
success,
Success.
success,
Success.
success came easily to him.
Success.
Success.
Fierce.
Fierce,
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
fierce. Adjective. Very
Violent.
violent, very
Violent. Fierce. Okay. Violent is fierce. Okay. Violent. Yeah, see? You start violent. You going to shoot. It's violent. Very violent. Fierce. Look. Look at this.
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
Okay.
he, a fierce attack. Adjective.
Okay, can spell.
F-I-E-R-C-E, fierce.
Fierce. Okay. Violent. Okay. Okay. So these two persons, Mrs. Patel and Mr. Valdez, has grown into
It's grown.
Fierce.
Fierce,
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
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 can spell.
F-I-E-R-C-E, fierce. Adjective.
Grown into
Fierce.
competitors. Competitors. Okay, two persons are compete against each other. Competitor. Okay, two people. The competitor is a person. Okay, what's that?
Fierce,
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
fierce,
Fierce.
fierce.
Okay. Okay, here.
A fierce tiger.
Okay, tiger, fierce, tiger, fierce. Okay, competitor.
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 Competitor. Someone who is trying to win or do better than the other
Or
Others.
others, especially
in businesses or
business or
sports.
sports. Okay,
Someone who is trying to win.
okay, I think that's it.
Competitor.
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 Competitor. Competitor. Now,
Okay, okay. Once good friends, they used to be good friends. Okay, Mrs. Patel and Mr. Vadas has grown into fierce,
fierce competitors.
Okay,
Each tried to get more business by offering these
discounts.
discounts.
Okay, they park the truck next to each other to sell food, so they want to give the discount. Discount means reduce the price. Okay,
This is the price.
Competitor.
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 okay,
Someone who is trying to win. We offer better
rates.
than out our competitors.
Good. Okay, competitors.
Rates.
Discount.
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 Okay,
Amount
amount taken
taken off a regular
price. Okay, from the price you take out something. For example, it's $1. You take 10 cents off, it becomes 90 cents. You reduce the price.
A price
Reduction.
reduction.
Okay,
Discount.
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 okay,
We were able to buy our ticket at a discount.
okay, means we buy it with a price lower than regular price. Discount.
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 Okay, spell
DICCOUNT. Discount. Now,
okay, can spell it.
DISCOUNT. Discount.
Discount.
Discount.
Okay, they want to get the business, they want to sell to the customer, so they offer lower price, offer discounts. Okay, each try to get more business by offering
Discounts. Get yet. You neither were doing well what had once been a business busy
okay, busy. What's that?
business busy
Business.
busy
Okay, what had once been a busy corner
corner how now felt
tense. Tense. Right?
tense.
Okay, feel the tense. Okay. Tense. I don't know. What's that?
That discussion
Discount.
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 I think we can stop here.